Welcome to our comprehensive step-by-step guide on how to install Windows 11. We will walk you through each stage to ensure a smooth installation process. First, make sure your PC meets the minimum system requirements. This includes checking your processor, RAM, storage, and other essential components. Ensuring compatibility is crucial for a smooth installation process. Next, download the Windows 11 installation media from the official Microsoft website. Ensure you have a stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions during the download process. This step is crucial for a smooth installation. Once downloaded, open the installation file and follow the on-screen instructions. The process may take a few minutes, so be patient and let it complete. Alright, now it's time to select the language, time, and keyboard preferences. Take your time to review the options carefully. Once you've made your choices, go ahead and click Next. This step is crucial for ensuring your system is set up correctly. Click Install Now and enter your product key when prompted. Carefully read through the license terms. Once you have read and accepted the terms, click Next to proceed with the installation. Choose the type of installation you want, upgrade or custom. Upgrade keeps your files and settings. Custom allows a fresh start. Follow the remaining prompts to complete the installation. Your PC will restart several times during the process. This may take a while, so be patient. Once done, you will be greeted with the Windows 11 welcome screen. Once the installation is complete, you will be greeted with the Windows 11 welcome screen. Take a moment to set up your profile and explore the new features. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Windows 11. Enjoy your new operating system and all the enhancements it brings.